Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix autofill password not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn on autofill password for contact info and credit cards. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Safari app. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap AutoFill. On the AutoFill page, turn on Use Contact Info and Credit Cards. Method number 2. Turn off and on autofill password. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on passwords, enter your phone passcode, tap password option, turn off autofill passwords, go back setting page, swipe up, tap on general page. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Go back setting page. Scroll down, tap on password. Enter your phone passcode. Tap password option. Turn on autofill password. Method number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Method number 4. Turn on iCloud keychain. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Apple ID. On the Apple ID page, tap iCloud. On the iCloud page, tap password and keychain. Turn on SIM this iPhone. Method number 5. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.